Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorial, how to change dimension units. So as example, I will draw rectangle with a dimension 50 and 50. Use a dimension linear, dimlin, to create dimension in the bottom here. And also I will create at this point. Now if you want to change dimension units, you can tap D. Press enter, will be show for dimension style manager, and as default will be using the ISO 25. You can click edit button, and in here we can edit the lines, like you can set the color into red color, also the second color, and for arrows, symbol arrows, you can click in this tab. You can change by clicking at this drop down menu, like we can set into architectural tick. And this is for the text, you can change for the color, height, and also for the text position. So like for the color, we can set into cyan, and we can set line horizontal. And this is for the fit and for primary units. You also can change for precision in here, format, like we can set into architectural, this is architectural, or you can add for the suffix, like inch, it will show the inch next the dimension. If you done, you can click OK and close. Now the dimension units will be automatically changed. Okay, that's it for basic Draftsight tutorial, how to change dimension units. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.